Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For you guys that are new here, hi, my name is Erica and I do videos on vlogs, hauls, fashion, and lifestyle. So if that's something you're interested in, then don't forget to subscribe and join me. You guys, October has officially ended, sadly, but now we are going to focus on Christmas. Well, at least in this video. I know it's November, but I wanted to do a early video for you guys so you guys can just go out and get your gifts already. Like, wouldn't you guys just want to get that over with? I love to do Christmas shopping in November personally, but that's just me. In today's video, I am going to be giving you guys some ideas to give to your boyfriend. I think these are great ideas, and I've even went over them with my boyfriend because, I mean, I'm here to help you guys and I want the best source. So I have a lot of ideas, so let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go on my notes app and just name some things, kind of give you guys examples, help you guys out as much as I can. So let's start off with a good Christmas idea, which are mugs. You can't go wrong with mugs, guys, especially like a cool one for your boyfriend. Like, I got my boyfriend one from Five Below and he likes video games, so I got him this PlayStation mug and he freaking loves it. He could also like give him like one from like a sports team that he's into or a character he loves. Like, you guys, you can't go wrong with mugs, or even a cute mug that says like best boyfriend. I think that is like such an easy gift and super cute as well and very thoughtful. Alright, the second one I am going to name is blankets. I think blankets are so underrated. I think anybody would be grateful for a blanket. I know I freaking love blankets, and I know guys, they're like about blankets, but if you get them like a sports team one or something like that, or like a movie they love, like a blanket of that, I think that they'll use it. They're always gonna use it, guys. For sure. A blanket is just so like a necessity for winter. It's so cold. And like, what if he likes the Lakers? You get him a Lakers blanket. Like, that's freaking cool, you know? Like, I don't know. These are just my idea. Okay, third one are hoodies and jackets. Guys love hoodies and jackets. I know they do. Because, you know, that's pretty much all they wear. No, I'm just kidding. But you know, you could get him like a Nike hoodie, Adidas hoodie, whatever he's into. Sports as well. You could get it at the mall. I know that they have inexpensive like sport sweaters at like TJ Maxx or like at Ross and stuff. So if you like really are on a budget or something, I would say check there because they have amazing things. Also, I know that like the most popular hoodies too, or a lot of the popular hoodies that a lot of guys are liking, are the Abercrombie ones. I guess Abercrombie came out with like a whole like new collection or something, and those are pretty pricey though, but they do have really nice hoodies. I checked on their website and my boyfriend asked for like 5 things from there, so I mean, you can't go wrong with a hoodie or a jacket or like a puffer jacket or something like that. Alright, the fourth one is going to be shoes. You gotta kind of know your man's taste in shoes. Like, personally, you gotta just kind of like ask him what shoes would he like. You can never go wrong with nice Nike shoes for sure. I'm sure he'll like that. And there's so much to choose from, and I know like if you're looking to get him like really nice ones, like ones that they don't really sell at Nike anymore, they're like kind of rare, you could go on StockX, you could go on GOAT and see what your options can be. Some Yeezys too are really good and very comfortable shoes. I recommend those too, and I have Yeezys and my boyfriend has Yeezys, so yeah, I would say like something like that would be really nice. A really nice expensive gift, but really nice. Or if you want to go more simple, I would say like Air Force One. Jordans, of course, you can't get them at the Nike store. They're expensive, but you can get them on GOAT. Or Prestos, Adidas are really good too, very comfortable. But yeah, like I said, you kind of got to know like what shoes your boyfriend's into, what colors, you know, and just go by that. But shoes are a great option. You could also get him some slides too. Some Adidas or Nike slides are really cool. Whatever he's into, slides are definitely a necessity to have. Next is a Apple Watch. I know Apple Watches are kind of expensive, but they are such a good gift. Apple Watches are just good to have, especially if your boyfriend likes to like work out and stuff. Like, too expensive. It is expensive, but it's not like $1,000, you know. Like you could get him like if you're looking to budget around like a couple $100s, you should definitely go for an Apple Watch. Also an AirTag is pretty cool. Next one is a speaker. I've had so many guy friends and even, you know, my boyfriend, they all love speakers, and I think it's just a guy thing. My dad loves speakers. The ones that are good, I mean, you could always go on Best Buy and see your price, like what you're willing to spend. Speaker is always a good gift for a guy. You need speakers for everything, like if you're grilling outside or if you're going outside or you're going to the beach, like speakers are just the best. Or if you're gonna work out, I think it's just such a great option. If you guys are don't know anything about speakers, I mean, I don't either, but my dad has the JBL speakers, and I think those speakers are really good, and they have Bluetooth, which I think all of them have Bluetooth, but they have a lot of options. They have like waterproof ones, regular ones, and the sound is really good. It just depends on like your price range, but if you want a recommendation, I recommend the JBL speakers. Number 8, guys, so if your boyfriend is into video games at all, if he has like a Xbox or PlayStation, a good gift that you could even try to get on Black Friday is a remote control. Guys always need a remote control, an extra one, whatever it is. Get him a remote control. He will definitely appreciate it, and I'm telling you, for Black Friday they usually have really good deals on that, so you could get him a PS5 control or a Xbox control, whatever he uses, and I'm sure he will appreciate it. And also the remote controls are not that expensive, which is a great thing, so that I would definitely go for. Also, if he like wants a specific video game, like I know the newest video games, we're gonna have like FIFA 2022, NBA 2022, or the Call of Duty Vanguard is a new one that I'm sure they're gonna want. So if you want to give them a video game too and like throw that in there, that's such a cute holiday gift. Alright, now this one's like a no-brainer, I feel, or maybe not, but a favorite jersey or team accessories. Pretty much like a jersey they like let's say they like the Lakers and they like LeBron and like they want a LeBron jersey, or they're into football, they want an Aaron Rodgers jersey, or Dodgers, you know, like anything that they like, and make sure to get them a person that they like or a player that they like. I think that'd be a good idea. And also, like I said, team accessories, you could get them like a, I don't know what your guys' price range is, but you could get them like a keychain or for their car or something they're into, but like accessories, a hat, whatever it is. I'm sure they will really like that. Which leads into the next one, which is hats. Okay, I didn't know how much guys really love hats. Like, I really didn't think about it. But yeah, like every guy likes hats. Like they have like the way we like collect jewelry, I feel, is like them with hats. Like they just always have to have hats. A necessity for guys. So if you are looking to get your boyfriend something, consider getting him a hat. It's not expensive, and I know they could get it like embroidered. What the fuck is the word? But you could get it like stitched and maybe like put your initials or his initials or something like that. It'll be really cute. Make sure it's like a team that he likes or something that he likes. Just make sure you get the right one. And also, heads up, make sure you know what size he is, because I guess hats have size, and I didn't know that either, because when I get hats, I just get hats. Like I don't really put my size, but no, that is very important. So make sure you know his size and what team he likes, and you'll be good to go. Okay, another really good gift is a wireless charger. Depends what he has, like phone or an iWatch or something like that. Definitely check wireless chargers, because that is a necessity to have, and he will definitely need it. I think everybody needs it. That's just like a good gift in general for like even your brother, your sister. Like a wireless charger is such a great gift, I feel. So you don't really got to plug it in or anything. You could just put it there and it charges, and I think that is great, especially if you're like very busy. It's so worth it. Okay, now this is for ladies that have boyfriends who like to work on cars or likes to build things or whatever the case is, because I know there is boyfriends that like to do that stuff. But I would say a set of toolboxes, and I know usually guys like to build things regardless or fix stuff, so a toolbox would be really good. I don't really know, I know that some are like pretty expensive, so it depends on your price range. But if your guy is like into like building cars and stuff, I think a toolbox is like a great gift, and I'm sure they will really appreciate it. Costco has some for good prices. I mean, definitely do your research before. Okay, so this one's a pretty simple gift, but it's a good gift, and I think it's like, you know, like a custom like water bottle, or those Yeti cups are really good. Hydro flask, especially if he's like always working or going to the gym, or you know, always outdoors, is like such a good gift to have. And I believe you could get, I don't know which one you could get, but one of them, I think it's the Yeti cups. You could get them customized, so you can like put like his initials or his name, and it's really cute. And I think I'll run you, I'm not sure the price, I don't want to say it wrong, but I think it's like maybe like $40 to $50 to get it like customized. But I think everybody needs like a hydro flask or something to put water and coffee. And those cups keep your like coffee warm or your water cold, so that is just really good, period. So the next one, you guys, this is number 14, is jewelry. And that is if your man like is into jewelry. I know some guys like rings, or they like chains, and you know, you could always look and see what jewelry he's into, or they have earrings. I think those are good gifts to give your boyfriend. Nice ones, you know, you could always go check in the mall or something. You could always check Etsy. Etsy has really good options if you guys are looking for some. Okay guys, so last one I am going to mention today is a mini fridge. Now I got my boyfriend a mini fridge, and they were not that expensive, believe it or not. I got mine for Black Friday. I think it was like, I'm not gonna lie, it was like 2 years ago, and I got it for, I believe, $65 for a mini fridge. That's not bad at all. So I purchased it and I gave that to him for Christmas, and he loved it and he still uses it. That's just such a necessity to have, especially if you have a boyfriend that's going to college or goes to college or has his own place. Like a mini fridge, you can just put that anywhere and it's super useful, and I think that is a great gift. So I think I listed you guys pretty good ones. I listed around 15 to 16 gift ideas. Please let me know in the comments if I have helped you in any way. I could do another one of these videos like with either mom, sisters, brother, or just in general. I could definitely do that for you guys. So please let me know down in the comments. Let me know if I've helped you in any way. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!